Parent training, using logical consequences. 1. Logical consequences are a type of disciplinary response to a child's inappropriate behavior that relates directly to the action. They are implemented in a respectful manner that helps children to understand the result of their actions and take responsibility. Here's how you can use logical consequences in discipline. 1. Identify the behavior. Determine the specific behavior that is causing problems. Be clear about the rules that are not being respected. 2. Connect consequences to behavior. The consequence should logically connect to the child's behavior. For example, if a child doesn't eat their dinner, they don't get dessert. Or if they don't complete their homework, they lose screen time. 3. Use empathy. Discuss the consequences in an empathetic manner. Show that you understand the child's feelings but emphasize the importance of following the rules. 4. Be consistent. Apply logical consequences each time the specific behavior occurs. This consistency helps reinforce the understanding of consequences. 5. Give advance warning. Where possible, warn your child in advance of the consequences of a certain behavior. 6. Involve your child. Encourage your child to come up with their own logical consequences for breaking the rules. This helps them learn and understand cause and effect better. Examples of logical consequences. Example 1. If a child refuses to clean up their toys after play, the toys could be put away for a certain amount of time. The logical connection is not taking care of toys means not being able to play with them. Example 2. If a child continuously interrupts while you are talking on the phone, they might have to go to their room until you finish. The consequence of interrupting is being removed from the situation. Example 3. If a child doesn't finish their homework because they spent too much time playing, they don't get to play the next day until homework is done. This consequence shows that responsibilities come before playtime. Example 4. If a child breaks a sibling's toy out of anger, they would replace it from their allowance or do chores to pay for it. This teaches them that aggression leads to taking responsibility for damages caused. Remember, the purpose of logical consequences is to help children learn from mistakes, not to make them suffer. Therefore, the consequences should not be extreme, humiliating, or harmful, but reasonable and relevant to the behavior.